How to make money on Facebook, tips and strategies. Hey, how's it going? I'm James Bill, and I have a few things I want to share with you today. I'm just going to dive right into it, guys. First of all, go ahead and click the subscribe button here because I'm going to have plenty more tips and strategies coming for you. So go ahead and do that, get that out the way. Okay, I want to talk to you about prospecting on social media, specifically Facebook, okay? And I got some tips here that's going to help you to really get you kicked off and put you far ahead of everyone else in the game. Number one, first thing you want to do is go to your Facebook profile and be sure that you have anywhere possible on there telling people that you can help them, okay? Not about what your business can do, what your company, who they are, and what they can do. Let people know what you can do. People don't buy companies, people buy into people, okay? All right, step 2. You want to become an influencer, authority figure. And the way to do this, you don't have to have made $1 million online. You don't have to even be a 6-figure earner. But what you do have to do is have a great system that you believe in and have confidence when you're speaking to people about that. Okay, that's number 2. And number 3, one of the biggest ways to build up your following on Facebook and start engaging with people is Facebook Live. And I know a lot of people don't like doing that. I'm guilty of it myself. That's not one of my main things. I really enjoy the YouTube stuff. But anyway, that's going to really help your engagements if you start to get into that. So get over that fear, okay? And now, I have 3 questions here that's going to really kick you off a level above all your competitors. And what that is, simply, you want to ask this question to anybody that you engage with. You say you put a post out, you're marketing something, or you put a quote out and somebody will like it. You want to go back to and start talking to these people and engaging with them. And what you want to ask is simply, what do you do for work? Okay? And question number 2, how long have you been doing that for? And number 3, you want to engage by saying, you must love it, huh? Or have you ever thought about doing something else? Guys, they're going to answer these questions. And you're going to start your engagement, and you simply introduce them to whatever it is you have to offer. So I just want to share that with you, and I got more tips and strategies coming your way. So if you hadn't done so already, please click on the link. And also, for those of you that's looking for a system, a great system, I'm affiliated with a great system, and they got step-by-step training and over-the-shoulder training and get you guys going today to help you start making some money right away. So go ahead and click on the link below, and I'll see you on the other side. Take care.